Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today guys will be super helpful video to any of you having a Mercedes E-Class. We're talking about this generation right here from year 2010 to year 2016. This is known as generation W212 Mercedes guys. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the engine computer fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea guys to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So engine computer fuses. Now, if you guys check your service manual, you will notice that you don't have specifically dedicated fuses for the engine computer, but we'll explain where you can find them. On that generation E-Class. This is the pre-facelifted model of that generation, this is the facelifted model. It will work for both. You have multiple fuse boxes, today we need to work in two. The first one guys, open the hood. That's your engine. On the driver's side, behind the shock tower here, okay, you have that cover. Pull it out, underneath you have the main engine fuse box with a layout that will look like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay? Some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery. And if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So here is what we will need to check now, okay? For the engine computer, we need to check multiple fuses. Now, the manual doesn't say there for the engine computer, but they control fuel injection, engine wiring harness, multiple components like that. So practically those will be the, some of the main fuses that control your engine, so they're known as engine computer fuses. If you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Mercedes or any car at a good price, quick shipping guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can save quite a bit of money. That's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. We're working two fuse boxes. In this fuse box, first we need to come to that section here towards the front. You need to check fuse number 4, which is a 20 amp fuse. The fuse number will be next to the fuse. Fuse number 4, fuse number 6. Then if we come to the upper section of the fuse box, we need to check fuse number 22, fuse number 23, 24, fuse number 27 and 34. After that you need to open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, on the side you have a cover, pull it out and you'll find the main trunk fuse box. Here you need to check 2 more fuses for the engine computer. That's fuse number 42 and fuse number 89 here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.